Welcome students to the online class Standard 6th Subject Mathematics. Chapter number 5 Decimal Fraction. So student, today we are going to solve assignment of your workbook. So let's begin. So student, today we are going to solve assignment number 4, which is on page number 42 of your workbook. In that we are going to start with the first question. It is given as carry out the following division. So your decimal numbers are given. We have to carry out divisions with the decimal number. So first sum they have already solved. Let us start with the second sum. They have given as 17.5 divided by 5. Okay, so first we have to convert this decimal number into fraction. So student, as you can see here, the decimal point is after one digit. So how we are going to convert it into fraction? It will come as 175 upon 10, and the division sign will convert into multiplication sign. Okay, always when we are converting the decimal number in fraction in division, the division sign converts in multiplication sign. And here we cannot see any decimal point, so straight away we are going to write it as 1 upon 5. Okay, so we will get the number in this form. Now student, I can further divide it into smaller form. This number is too big, I can divide it into smaller form. So 5 ones are and 5 3s are 15, 2 comes the 35. So number comes like 35 upon 10 into 1 upon 1. So any number multiplied by 1 will be same. So 35 ones are 35, 10 ones are 10. So student, here in the denominator 10 is there, so single zero. So after how many digit I have to put the decimal point? After one digit. So number will come as 3.5. So this is your answer for the second question. So student, let us solve the third sum. It is given as 20.6 divided by 2. Again we have to convert this decimal number into fraction. So how you are going to write? As the decimal point is after one digit, so again you are going to write it as 206 upon 10 into multiplication. Division sign will convert into multiplication. Okay, and 2 doesn't have any decimal point, so it will be written as 1 upon 2. So now we will be dividing the bigger number into smaller form. So 2 ones are here, 2 ones are 2, zeros are and 3s are. Okay, so answer comes as 103 upon 10. Now I'm not going to write 1 upon 1 because as I've shown you here the step, I'm directly writing the final answer. Okay, so I get the answer as 103 upon 10. So how I'm going to convert it into decimal form? So I'll write the number as it is, 103. So here single zero, so from the unit place after one digit decimal point will come, and this is the answer for the third question, 10.3. So student, let us solve the fourth sum. It is given as 32.5 divided by 25. So student, again you are going to convert into fraction form. So how you are going to write? 325. So decimal point is after one digit, so you are going to write it here upon 10. Multiplication sign will come and 1 upon 25. So student will try to divide this number into smaller form. So 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 2 will come here 5. Okay, again we will divide this number. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 3, 13. Okay, so your answer comes as 13 upon 10. Here 1 is coming, so I am not writing here. I get final answer as 13 upon 10. So how I am going to convert it into decimal form? I'll write the number as it is. So how many digits? Single digit. So after one digit decimal point will come. So your answer is 1.3. So student, fifth sum will be homework for you all. Let us solve the sixth sum. It is given as 7.42 divided by 7. So student, as you can see here the decimal point is given after 2 digits. So how you are going to write it here? 742 upon 100, because after 2 digit the decimal point is given, and the division sign will convert into multiplication sign, and here it will become 1 upon 7. Now we'll try to convert this number into smaller form. Okay, so we'll divide 7 ones are 7. Okay, here also 7 ones are 7, then zeros are, and 42 comes, then 6 are. So we'll get the answer as 106 upon 100. Here 1 is coming, so I'm not writing here direct, I'm writing the final answer. So now how will convert into decimal point? I'm going to write 106 as it is. So how many 0? 2 zeros. So from the unit place 1 2 decimal point will come here, and this is the answer for your sixth sum, 1.06. Thank you.